Hey guys, Adrian here. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about if your marketing sucks, especially social media, then this is why. I'm also going to drop on you 5 strategies that are going to dramatically change your business. So if you implement these strategies, make no mistake, your business will change overnight. How do I know this? Because this is what I do for a living. I coach business owners with mindset, with strategies, with social media marketing to help generate a business that they like and love, that they like and love. So if you are interested in generating more leads and sales online, especially using social media, then this video is something that I want you to watch to the very end, okay? If you're online, say hello. Let me know that you're around, and if you want to ask any questions, just pop them in the comments box below. By the way, my social media workshop is coming up on the 11th of August, and it is almost fully sold out. There are 5 tickets left. It is the penthouse experience. I've never done this before. I've hired this beautiful $3 million penthouse with ocean views. It's absolutely amazing to look at, and it's a nice way of doing business, I think. So if you're interested, just comment below and let me know you want more information, and I'll be happy to send it to you, okay? So this video comes off the back of a conversation I had with a person. We've had this conversation over the years many times, and I kind of just had to hit him between the eyes and say, listen, this is the reason why your marketing, especially social media, sucks, and why you're frustrated with everything is simply for this very reason. And the reason is that you're treating it like a joke. You're treating it like this is something that you're not really taking seriously. You're not really putting a lot of effort into it. And for that very reason, you're discrediting this social media thing like it's some child's play thing, like it's it's some sort of a fad. It's still for young people. And here's the thing, when you treat your marketing like a joke, when you don't put as much effort into it as what you do everything else in life, then you are really sapping your business of oxygen. And if your business doesn't get oxygen, which is the marketing, then you don't get sales. And sales is like, the lifeblood, right? It's like it breathes life into your business. Without sales, your business will inevitably die, okay? So without customers, without attracting these people online, so really when it comes to social media, if you're thinking that this is a joke and it's a fad and it's a young person's thing, I've got to tell you there are a couple of alarming facts which you should know that are going to make this a video you want to pay more attention to, okay? So here's the thing, there are more than 3.3 billion people on the planet which are connected right now. We've got some like 8 billion people on the planet. Keep in mind that not everyone's connected, okay? So 3.3 billion people of those who are connected to the internet are online, and they're consuming social media every single day. Not just social media, but the internet. They're spending some, like 9 hours a day online, whether it be YouTube or Netflix or whatever it is. They're searching for something, right? So with that being said, if you don't take this serious, it's actually like, the reality of like the Jetsons is not too far away. That world is embarking on us right now where we are more connected than ever. And as I speak, there is interesting information coming out which are saying that we're going to have something like 8 billion devices connected over the next 10 years. So there are going to be like third world countries who have not ever been connected online ever, and all of a sudden they're going to go from no connection to the world, having any digital presence whatsoever, to high-speed broadband and cell phones, like mobile phones, right? So they're going to go from, we went from having, like cable in the ground, or, what do you call it, like, lines in the streets and all that kind of shit, right? So we grew up with that, and then we migrated to cable in the ground. We migrated from, analog to digital. Whereas these businesses, these countries, these third world countries, are going to go straight to high-speed broadband. So think about that. The world's becoming more connected than it ever has before, okay? So if you are wanting to make a change in your business, if you're wanting to really reach out to people in a different way and do business in a different way, and have your customers do business with you and see you in a new light, then these are the things that you need to look into, okay? I'm going to give you some strategies. When it comes to social media, and particularly marketing and business, you have to think of it in terms of strategies. And there are certain strategies that you need to implement every single day in order to make your marketing work. Right, so I'm going to share with you 5 that I've come up with that are going to make a dramatic effect on your business. How do I know this? I do this every day. I do it in my business and I do it in the businesses that I work with, yeah? So I know this is going to make a huge difference. Here it is. Number 1, your content strategy. This is something that a lot of people don't put a lot of effort into, or not as much as what they should. So my belief is that content is still king. People connect through stories, and if you are providing tons and tons of value to your customers, then they will see you as valuable, right? So for me, there's like loyalty is a thing of the past, and people will go to the next thing that is going to provide for them value. What a lot of people still do online is they keep their cards close to their chest. They don't reveal much information at all, feeling that if they give away the farm, no one's going to want to go and do business with them, when in fact the opposite is true. The more that you provide value to your customers, the more that they see you as a valuable asset to their business, yeah, or to their lives. So the number 1 thing you should focus on right this minute is your content strategy. Number 2, this is a definite thing that you should really pay attention to, is your paid strategy. So a lot of people I find in business are still wasting money on letterbox drops and flyers. They're still wasting money on beer runners. They're still wasting money even on business cards, or branded tops and hats and shit like that, which doesn't really generate leads. The real way to generate leads online is through paid marketing, okay? So whether you use YouTube or LinkedIn or Instagram or Google or whatever it may be, you need to make sure that you are putting some investment into paid marketing. I particularly like Facebook because it's such a platform that I can spend a minimum of $1 a day and I can reach the targeted audience that I want. It is a platform that a lot of people are engaged in every single day. Right here in Australia, there are some 16 million Australians that are online using Facebook. And so that's like, nearly 70% of our entire population on one platform. Okay, whatever it is for you, do something of a paid strategy on that particular platform. Here it is. Number 3, your offline strategy. Okay, so it sounds weird, right? That I'm talking about social media strategies, but I'm talking also about your offline strategy. Remember, behind every screen is a human being. So how are you going to get your ideal customer offline and into your bricks and mortar shop, for example, or even into your online shop, right? How are you going to utilize this strategy? So how can you get them onto a call or into a meeting, or use offline strategies like something like, say, a group discussion, or whether it might be a meeting room, or whether it might be a demonstration or a product demo or an info night or something like that. Something that gets you face to face, eyeball to eyeball, belly to belly with your customer. Okay, number 4, your follow-up strategy. Okay, the gold is in the follow-up, okay, because we are designed as human beings to never say yes on the first thing, right? We always are taught to go get a second opinion, make sure that you ask someone else for their opinion. So we never truly say yes on the first go. What we do is we say, you know what, I'll have a think about it. That's fine if you have a strategy that is the follow-up strategy, okay? So if you're looking at ways to keep in contact with your customer, whether it be via text message or via an automated email message or something along those lines, you are now delivering some more follow-up service and ideas and implementations that you can reach out to these people, that you can make a further connection, and when they are ready, then they can make a decision with you. Okay, here's number 5. Number 5, your after the yes strategy. Now, it has been a worldwide proven fact that when someone buys a product or service from you, they are it takes about, is a 20 or 30% chance from memory of attaining or acquiring a new customer. However, if you were to sell a second service or a second product to that customer, there is a 70 to 80% chance that they will take you up on a service or a third service, okay? Which is amazing, right? Because when you think about all the customers that you've acquired so far, if only you went back to them and provide them a second or third service that you can help them with, there's a staggering 70% of those customers will take you up on that service, okay? All right, that's all I have time for today. There are your 5 strategies. If your marketing is not performing the way that you want it to be, it's simply because you are not focusing on these strategies. You're not thinking like a business person or a strategic way, and these 5 strategies will help. I hope this has helped you and has served you. If you want more information, just comment more info below and I'll tell you a way how I can teach you how to get more leads and sales online using digital media. Until the next video, I'll chat to you soon. Bye for now.